back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Mikayla. I post every Monday and Thursday here on my channel. You can find motherhood, lifestyle, and vlog content. So if that interests you, make sure to subscribe down below and also hit the bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. Today's video, I'm gonna be getting ready. For what, you may ask? Absolutely nothing. I'm getting ready to literally sit in my bed for the rest of the day. Obviously, we're all cooped up at home, quarantining, if you will. Gonna be honest, it hasn't been as boring as I thought it was gonna be. But yeah, I'm just gonna be doing a little makeup look with you guys today because I figured I would get ready because, I don't know, I'm just in a really good mood today and figured I'd put some makeup on and maybe take pics and make TikToks because that is what we're all doing these days. Just before we begin, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, I will have it on the screen here. I'm on there 24/7. I'm always posting pictures, posting stories, replying to comments. So if you want to catch up with me on more of a daily basis, make sure to go follow me over there. I hope you guys enjoy this little get ready with me, and let's just get right into the video. I might not talk about every product that I'm using because everything is pretty much the same as I always use, but I will have all the products in the description box down below, so feel free to check down there if you want to know what products I'm using. But I'm gonna moisturize my face first. I'm so disorganized. Oh my god. Just gonna put some like primer on my face or priming moisturizer. I don't know. I'm no makeup guru here. So just rubbing this in. Oh, this feels so nice on my skin. Oh my god, no. I did a face mask yesterday. I did the Alia Skin, what's it called? Pink clay rose mask, something like that. You guys probably know it. You've probably seen it on Instagram. I'm not kidding when I say it's like the best face mask I've ever used. It's so good. It made my skin feel so soft. I probably should have filmed yesterday because my skin was looking on fleek. Does anybody say that anymore? I don't know. Gonna go in with some concealer. Same one I've been using for probably 2-3 years now. Probably should get a new one. Just gonna apply this on my eyelids and under my eyeballs. I was just listening to a podcast actually before I started filming. I started listening to Gretchen's podcast, Gretchen Garrity, and I love it. I don't actually watch her YouTube videos, but her voice, I could just listen to her forever. Oh my god. I've been listening to so many podcasts lately. It's like actually crazy. I feel like more podcasts than actual music, but this month I've found a lot of new songs that I like, so if you want me to do a April music playlist video, please let me know. I did one for March, and I know my friends like those videos, so if you want me to film one for April, let me know. Okay, now going in with some powder to set all that ish. Just going to take some. I don't bake or anything either, I just kind of press it into my face, and some on my lid to set the concealer on there. I think I'm gonna go like all out and do, like, should I do a purple look? I'm wearing these purple leggings, so maybe I'll do purple. Yeah, okay, let's go on to the eyeshadow. Should I use my Carly Bible palette? This is like such an OG palette. I probably got this like 3 years ago. Should I use this or my Jaclyn Hill one? Is this the one? No. This one here, or should I use this one? I have used it before. It looks untouched, but I actually hit pan on one color. It's probably my favorite color in the palette, so maybe I'll use this one. Okay, I'm gonna take this color, Hush Hush, and I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of Rockstar in it. This is gonna be my like transition color. Okay, I'm gonna apply this in the crease and see how this turns out. Ooh, she's very purple. Ooh, but I like it. This is so cute. Okay, that's cute as fuck. Let's do the other side. Okay, now I like doing sparkle, so maybe I'll do ballsy. Maybe I'll try that one. This looks nice. Okay, I just use my finger for this, so. Ooh, this looks really cute. I might actually use 2 glittery colors to make it pop, so I might put Bling Bling or Glitz and Glam over top. I'm gonna take Bling Bling and put that over top just to make it more shiny, sparkly, whatever. So now I'm gonna go on to, I'll just do like my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna comb them out with this little spoolie. Oh, my eyebrows look decent. Oh yeah, that's because I plucked them like last week. Going in with my brow product that I use. I'll have it linked down below. You guys have seen me do my brows like 18,000 times. It's nothing new. So I'm gonna just speed up this part so that I don't bore you to death. Eyebrows are done, looking bomb. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer now. I do need a new bronzer eventually. The Benefit Hoola one, which is the one I currently use, makes me look like an Oompa Loompa. So if you have any bronzer recommendations for like paler skin that don't make you look orange, let a girl know down below in the comments. But for the time being, because this is the only bronzer that I have, I'm going to use my Benefit Hoola bronzer. I do like this bronzer though. It just is a little bit too orange for my skin tone, unfortunately. If I was a bit more tan, it might actually work out better, but because I'm like Casper the Ghost shade, it does not work out for my skin, so I need a different bronzer. Okay, gonna go in and apply this. Ready to look like an Oompa Loompa. Ooh, looking cute. Also, I'm no beauty guru, so the way I apply bronzer is probably terrible. So don't come after me in the comments, please. So, I don't know about you, but all I've had stuck in my head since I heard it is Carole Baskin killed her husband, whacked him. Is it just me, or does everybody else sing that 24/7? I haven't even seen Tiger King. I'm not really sure why I haven't seen it yet. Yeah, I'm not sure, but all I know is that Carole Baskin killed her husband, whacked him, and she fed him to the tigers and they be snacking. So that's all I really know. Let's go ahead and do blush, because I've been doing my bronzer for literally 5 hours. I'm gonna go in with just this blush that I have. It's not my favorite. I don't hate it. It's mediocre. I'm just gonna go in with my blush. Oh, I always put too much blush on and then I look like Lunette the Clown. If you know who that is. You're amazing. Blush is done. I guess it's just mascara, isn't it? I think so. So I'm gonna curl my eyelashes first. This is like a crucial step in my makeup routine now. It never used to be, and now that I do it, I'm like, why wasn't I doing this all along? So just curling my eyelashes. Okay, and then I'm gonna use these two mascaras here. I'll link them down below. I'm gonna speed through this process because I think all of you guys know how to apply mascara. Gonna go in with this other mascara that I have. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I will be right back. Okay, so my mascara is done, as you can see. You know what I cannot stand is when your one eye looks way better than the other. I think it's this eye looks so much better than this eye for like my lashes. This eye just always looks better. I don't know why. Like my lashes just look so short and stubby, and inside they're like, hello world, I'm here. Let's do my highlight. I think I just might use the highlighters from this palette here, the Carly Bible one. I'll probably use, let's go for the gold one today. Ooh, we love a glittery queen. Glow, baby, glow. Ooh. Now, all I have to do is a lip product. So I'm gonna use, I need to get it out actually. Okay, so got my lip products. I'm gonna use this Kylie Cosmetics Malibu lip liner. We're back to when I was like obsessed with Kylie Cosmetics, but you know what the funny thing is? I've actually been wanting to get more Kylie Cosmetics products. I don't shop for makeup a whole lot because I'm not obsessed, like I'm not truly obsessed with it. Like I'll wear it, but I'm not buying new eyeshadow palettes every hour of the day. Anytime I see her post about her cosmetic line, I'm just like, wow girl, you've blown this up in the past. I don't even know how many years she's had it, but it's blown up. So I'm gonna take this lip liner and just outline my lips, I guess. I don't know. Oops, I overlined them a little bit, can you tell? And then taking my favorite lipstick ever from MAC Cosmetics. This is the shade Flesh Pot. It's like this nudie pink. It's literally my favorite lipstick ever. So I'm gonna apply this. And then for lip gloss, I'm gonna take Marc Jacobs in the shade Sugar Sugar. This is another one of my favorite products. and we Gucci. Okay, so I went and straightened my hair and I also fed my daughter some lunch. I took a little bit of a break, let's just say that. But here is the quarantine get ready with me for absolutely nothing look. I'm obsessed with how this turned out. I think I like it because I used purple eyeshadow and I just love how purple eyeshadow looks on me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I will have it on the screen here. I'm on there 24/7, posting pictures, posting stories, replying to comments. That's where you can catch up with me on a daily basis, so go follow me and let's be friends. Also, make sure to subscribe. I post every Monday and Thursday motherhood, lifestyle, and vlog content. If there's anything else you want to see on my channel, make sure to leave a comment down below and I will possibly film whatever you want to see. Yeah, I hope you all are staying safe and healthy, and I think that's all I have to say. So I hope you guys are having a beautiful day or night whenever you're watching, and I will see you guys in my next video on Monday. Bye!